Hey guys, it's Larry. If you saw my last video, you'll know that I am up to some big changes for 2018, and I did give the reveal away in the last video, but just in case I will share with you again. So big changes for 2018 means I am switching my personal journal from this, which is an old-time steno book. Very pretty. It's been extremely useful. I love it. And I will plan in here with my stickers and all my good stuff. But I decided for 2018 I was going to switch to a big happy planner. So you may recognize this. This was part of a Tuesday morning haul that I got several months ago. And I'm just now implementing it now for the new year, and this is going to be my new journal. So I'm adding this to my collection, and it's a little scary and intimidating because, well, hey, it's huge compared to my classic size Happy Planner. Here's my classic size Happy Planner, and you can see there is a pretty big difference in size. And if you put it corner to corner, you've got, at least an inch, almost 2 inches on the top, inch on the sides. So a lot more space to fill, but I figure that's perfect for when I'm journaling because I'm going to need more space to write, right? And if you recognize this is my classic Happy Planner I've been using for, a year now. And this is the new cover I just made recently, and I do have a video on how to make a DIY cover for your classic Happy Planner, so that's here. But let's get started. So what I'm doing today is the first week of January. I just did the January monthly layout in my last video, and now I am moving on to the first week of January, January 1st through the 7th. And these are the stickers I'm going to be using. This is a set called Mulberry, and this is from Pink Pixel Graphics. I'll leave a link for her below. These were free downloadable stickers, and they are super cute. I love the colors. I love the sweater. I love the hat. And she's got date covers, bullet lists, hello weekend. So super cute. So getting ready to get started, I pulled out some washi tape. These are the 3 colors I thought that'll probably coordinate really well with the set. So let's get started. Big changes equals big goals for 2008, and let's get ready to go. So if you like this video, please remember to like it. Please subscribe. Ring the bell for notifications, and ask any questions in the comments, and leave tips and tricks, especially if you print your own stickers. How do you do it? Where do you find your artwork? And let's get going on the plan. It is time for a cocktail. Pull up a chair, pull up your Happy Planner, and I'm going to turn on the music and we'll have some fun. All right, guys. Alright guys, so I think this is it. Final layout for my new journal, which is in the Big Happy Planner for January 2018. This is for the week of January 1st through the 7th. And I think it turned out really good. I hope you like it. Please give a thumbs up if you do. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Happy New Year to you. Thank you so much for joining me. And please remember to be thankful, be kind, and keep living light.